Students, in the previous lecture we studied about the conversion between different number system, and we learned that the value of each digit in the decimal number system, how to calculate. We learned about the conversion of binary to decimal number system. Now in this lecture let's explore more. So first we will learn the conversion between octal to decimal. Students, as you know that octa means 8. Octal has 8 digits, 0 to 7, and decimal dec means 10, and decimal has 10 digits, 0 to 9. Students, decimal is the number system the human uses daily. Students, to convert octal to decimal, let's see what are the rules. Student, to convert the octal to decimal, the rules are same as the binary number system, but just the difference is that in octal to decimal, multiply each digit by 8 to the power n, where n is the power weight, which is called weight, starting from 0 and increasing by 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And after multiplying, add all the values and you get the resultant decimal number, which has base 10. Let's see the example. Student, in this example, as you see, we have taken an octal number 724. Just from starting from right to left, the first rightmost digit is 4, and multiply 4 by 8 to the power 0, we get 4, and the next digit from right is 2, and multiply 2 by 8 to the power 1, increasing by 1, and we get 16. Then multiply the leftmost digit, that is 7, by 8 to the power 2, we get 448, and add all the values, we get 468, that is the decimal number. So this is the rule to convert octal to decimal. Now students, we will learn how to convert hexadecimal to decimal. Student, as you know that hexadecimal has 16 digits, 0 to 9 and A to F. Student, A is equivalent to 10, B is equivalent to 11, C is equivalent to 12, D is equivalent to 13, E is equivalent to 14, F is equal to 15. So we have 0 to 15 as 16 digits, because hex means 16. So let's explore what is the rule. Student, the rule to convert hexadecimal to decimal is the same as binary to decimal conversion or octal to decimal conversion, but the difference is that here we take 16 to the power n, and n is the power, that is weight, starting from 0 and increasing by 1, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. And then add all the values, we get equivalent decimal. Student, let's take the example. Here we have taken the example ABC. Starting from right, student, we have C, the rightmost digit, and as you know C is equivalent to 12. Now multiply 12 by 16 to the power 0, we get 12. Student, I would like to tell you that if the power of any digit is 0, then it is equivalent to 1. Now the next digit is B is equivalent to 11. Now multiply 11 by 16 to the power 1, we get 176, and then multiply the leftmost digit, that is A is equivalent to 10, multiply it by 16 power 2, we get 2560, and by adding all the values we get 2748. That is a decimal number system base 10. So here, student, you have seen how to convert octal to decimal and hexadecimal to decimal. So in the next lecture we will explore more on the number system. Thank you, student.